coastlines. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Malbaie Quebec is located in the heart of the Charlevoix region. This charming town sits along the north shore of the St. Lawrence River, about 140 kilometers northeast of Quebec City. It's a perfect blend of natural beauty, rich history, and small-town charm. Malbaie is one of the oldest resort towns in Canada. Back in the 18th century, it became famous as a summer getaway for wealthy visitors, thanks to its stunning views, fresh air, and peaceful setting. Even today, it's a top destination for travelers who love nature and tranquility. This town has a special connection to the St. Lawrence River. The river has always been at the center of life here, whether it's for fishing, trade, or just enjoying the view. On a calm day, the reflection of the sky on the water is absolutely breathtaking. The Charlevoix region is known for its hilly landscapes, shaped millions of years ago by a meteor impact. Scientists believe a giant asteroid struck this area, creating what's now known as the Charlevoix crater. The rolling hills you see today are part of that ancient geological history. Malbaie is also a town full of history. In 1761, it was originally called Murray Bay by Scottish soldiers who were stationed here. Over time, the name evolved back to its French roots. For outdoor lovers, Malbaie is a dream. There are plenty of hiking trails, parks, and scenic spots to explore. One of the highlights is Haute Gorge de la Rivière Malbaie National Park, located just a short drive from town. The park has some of the most spectacular cliffs and river valleys in the province, making it a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. Whether you're here to relax by the water, explore the hills, or dive into the town's history, Malbaie has something for everyone.